Most trading platforms either overwhelm you or they oversimplify everything. But what if there was a platform that actually got the balance right between the two? I recently came across Virpoint, and honestly, I'm going to tell you in this video what stood out and if they are actually worth your time. So make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this video so you can actually see how good Virpoint is. Before deciding to trade cryptocurrencies, please consider your risk appetite. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm now on the official website of Virpoint. If you want to go and check them out, I'll leave the link down in the description of this video, or you can go to verpoint.com. So first things first, if we take a look at the website and we are now on the home page, you can see it's a clean and modern design and it's not confusing because the beginner trader does not want a confusing website. And that is something that ruins the experience quicker than anything else, is a complicated and confusing website. So we can literally go through the website right now. And as you can see, you can get all of the information ASAP and you will know exactly where to go. They have clean sections right here, trading section, company section, and even different. And they have a smooth navigation as well. So as you can see right here, it's master the markets and own the moment. You can see exactly what you are able to trade. So right here, you can see CFDs on ETFs, stocks, Forex, commodities, and digital assets with real-time execution, razor sharp precision, and limited potential. So that is something that you want to look for when you look for a crypto platform, is that they actually have multiple variety of options for you to trade, like the markets right here. So they provide everything you would want to trade. You can even contact support right here, and you can even get started right away right here by clicking the start trade button. So let's move on to the next section. So just to quickly scroll here through the website, you can see that you can trade and you can even invest, which is pretty cool. And you can see right here, you can have real-time guidance when you create an account. You can expand your knowledge, trade with confidence, and manage your risk, because managing your risk as a trader is probably the most important part about trading. So as you can see right here, one account and endless opportunities, and you can go and do some more research. But now I'm going to head over here to the trade section and the accounts. So you can actually go and you can get different accounts right here. So you can see the basic plan right here, and you can compare accounts as well because you get the Prime, the Apex, the Alpha, and the Zenith. So you can compare the accounts right here, and here you can actually see the difference. So you can see the spreads, for example, the leverage is entry level versus upgraded and maximum level, markets analysis tools. So you get different tools and you get educational resources. So for the basic, it will only be basic resources. But once you get to the Prime account, you can actually get unlimited access. You can get a weekly market newsletter, which is really important because as a trader, you want to stay up to date with the latest news. You can see the dedicated specialists that you get once you get past the Prime account, and you can see guaranteed stop loss, a dedicated team, and you can see the support right here and priority transactions, which is pretty cool. So it's really good that Verpoint have a wide variety of accounts. So whether you are a beginner trader looking for a basic account or a real advanced trader looking for the Zenith account, they have something for everyone. And that is something that is really important, and it's catering for every type of trader out there with different trading styles and different amounts of experience. So if I scroll back up, we can go to trade and we can go and look at the fees and the charges. So as you can see, they have no hidden fees, progressive account tiers, and revamped commissions. So they say right here the competitive spreads is 0.01%, and in crypto and stocks it is 0.025%, which is pretty competitive for the market in 2026. Right here you can read about the deposits and withdrawals. No deposit or withdrawal fees, which is really cool because I hate it when I have to go to a platform, have to deposit money and pay a fee, and withdraw money and pay a fee again. So you can see right here possible third-party charges, but they won't charge you additional fees. Okay guys, as you can see right here, under additional fees is overnight funding, upgraded services, and maintenance and inactivity fees. And as you can see right here, 20% performance-based fee only when you profit. So they are really competitive when it comes to their pricing and when it comes to their fees. So as you can see right here, transparent pricing and powerful trading. Okay guys, so the next section we are going to head over right here is to the deposit and withdrawals, and this will show you how you can actually deposit. So you can deposit with cryptocurrency, you can do it via credit card, wire transfer as well. So they give you options of funding your account in multiple different ways, which is pretty cool. So you won't get your money stuck into crypto. You can get it from crypto, whether your credit card or even a bank transfer. So that is really important. And if we go right here to the account security, and you can see that they actually have robust security protocols, vigilant monitoring, and regulatory compliance. So they are pretty well secured as well. So you won't actually go and lose your money into these accounts because they will protect you against scams, and they have a good support system in place as well. Okay, guys, so I would say that Virpoint is pretty good because they give you options to trade multiple different markets, for example, stocks, forex, commodities, and ETFs, which is something you look for as a trader. They're also very transparent with their fees, and they are really competitive. They don't charge a lot of fees. You are able to withdraw and fund your accounts in multiple different ways, so they don't actually keep you stuck or limit you in that way as well. And the last but not the least is they cater for every type of trader with different styles, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or even an advanced trader. They will take care of you. So I would definitely say that they are worth checking out. So if you're looking for a platform that is easy to navigate and it gives you the options to multiple different markets, I would highly suggest that you go and check out Virpoint. I'll leave the link down in the description of this video so you can go and you can check them out for yourself. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.